Ready? Alright, that one's good enough for me. You can start rolling out another one.
I'll do this.
You do that one, I'll roll? Alright, come over here. Stretch it on out. Over there near the pan.
What you making, Tobin?
No.
Awesome.
Good job, honey. Stretch those sides out.
I'm making a diamond shape now.
Nice. As soon as your naan is ready to go, honey, you can spray the pan and throw it in, okay?
Spray, please.
Alright, throw that on in there. Careful, that pan's real hot. And we'll spread it out a little bit. There you go. Perfect. You want to roll out another one?
Love.